Hey, so in this PhET simulation, you are going to balance some chemical equations. You click on the game thing here, and then you click on level 1. You're going to do all 3 levels, but start with level 1. And then you have to set them all at least to 1. You can't have any zeros. So set them all at least to 1, and then look at them and count. Also, these give you to you in kind of a random order, so this probably won't be the first one that you get. Because it does use kind of a random generator. So then I look at the left and the right side of the equation, and I look to see, how many of each molecule do I have? So the orange one here is the P, and I have 1. And then when I look over on the right side of the equation, I have 1 orange as well, so that's balanced. And then with green, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then when I look on the right side, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have what I need to have it balanced left and right, so I don't need to add any more here. So I would click check. And then if you get it right the first time, you get 2 points. And if you get it right the second time, you get 1 point. And if you don't get it right the third time, you get no points for that. And when you pass a level, you need to pass with at least 7 out of 10. So keep that in mind, because you may need to play again if you don't get enough of them correct. So let me go over one more. So here I add 1 of each, and then I count. So I've got 1 P over here, that's 1 orange. Here's 4 P's, so I'm going to need 4 over here as well, at least. And so that gives me the 4 oranges, 4 oranges. And then I have 2 greens over here, and over here I have 3 and 3 and 3 and 3, which is 3 times 4, which is 12. So I need 12 over here as well. So I know I have 12 greens, and so this should balance, and you click check, and if you get it right the first time, you get the +2. Again, if you get it right the second time, you get +1, and if you get it right the third time, or don't get it right the third time, you get no points for that, and so you'll have to play those over again. Alright, so then when you get to the last one, you will get a screen like this, and it'll tell you what your score is. And if you didn't get at least 7 out of 10, then you will need to play that level again. So again, you need at least 7 out of 10 stars on each level in order to have passed that level. So when I click continue, it will take me back here. So if I am going to go ahead and go on to level 2, and I'm going to finish this, I'm going to do this all in one shot, then go ahead and do that. But if not, let's say you finish level 1 and you have something else you need to do, please take a screenshot of this, and then so that way you have that, because it doesn't save. So if you pass level 1 and then you don't save it, you don't take a screenshot, then you have to do level 1 again. So what you need to turn in for this assignment is a screenshot showing your stars for each level, whether that's 3 individual screenshots because you played them all at different times, or you just turn in this whole picture right here with all of these filled out. You also need to fill out level 2 and level 3. Once you turn them in, you need to show the 7 out of 10 stars on each level. As long as your image that you upload does that, then you will get credit for the assignment. But remember, if you get less than 7 out of 10 on any of these levels, you do need to play that segment again. So if you're going to go on to level 2, you would just click level 2, and again, the rules are the same. The problems do get a little bit harder, so they're going to take you a little bit longer, to look at and to visualize and to count. But as long as you have the same number of colored circles on each side of the equation, when you click the check button, then you will get your full points for that. So just keep trying. Make sure you double count everything, make sure everything is balanced before you click that check button, and then upload your image with your stars to Canvas.